So here we have Moses, which is a little Bordeaux puppy, and Kameha, who is a golden doodle who's very young. And this is great socialization for Moses because Kameha is a wonderful player. He's gentle and playful, and he's great with puppies. He's just great. And there's Summer, who's a 10-month-old mini golden retriever who's also great for Moses. And there they go. And what's important is this is a very controlled environment. We've known Kameha since he was a puppy. And we know he's wonderful. And there's not that many dogs, so Moses is safe. He's not going to feel overcrowded. And this is perfect for a puppy. Perfect socialization for a puppy. Hello, puppy. Hi, Kameha. Good boy. You're a good boy. And we have Palmer here too, who's just wonderful. And that's it. Penny.